Welcome traders, freetradingvideos.com. You're here with Breakout. Let's take a look at this New York Stock Exchange again today. We had a decent move up. We were up 37.2 points on the New York Stock Exchange. So this is looking to get the pullback up into this resistance area. Now what I really want to show you here tonight is the net volume. So we can see this is looking good. I mean, we broke down into the triangle, come down and we're pulling back up. One thing we can witness right here is we have a smaller body size candle than this one here, so that's a sign of weakness already. What I would be looking for is just to come up right up into this trend line here and then to break down. We should also be trading right up into the 20-day moving average and 13-day moving average there. Let's go into volume here real quick. Let's look at the net volume, or actually total volume, sorry, traded on the New York Stock Exchange. Now to do this, we're going to need to use a line chart. If we have a look here, this is the volume for today, 912 million shares. That was the lowest trading day of this year. Lowest volume traded this year. So we've got the market moving up on absolutely no volume. That is a huge warning sign, people. Now, next thing I want to show you here is, remember January? Yeah, a lot of people remember that well. They lost a lot of money. Check out January here. Now you can see we've got low volume here. If we bring in the crosshairs here, you'll be able to see the date. Okay, it's a half day, and also back here, that's also a holiday half day trade. So that's why volume is so low back here. But check this one out right here. Okay, January 14th. Now if we go into back to the New York Stock Exchange here, check this out, traders. This is a very, very interesting find that I came across tonight through my studies. Look at this. If we're trading this market here, right here, we can see we had this big move to the downside. We've made that huge recovery straight back up. Remember that 10% drop, 10% recovery? Beautiful. Phenomenal thing right there. And a double top, and down we come. At this point here, market's made a lower swing high than the previous, another lower swing high. We've broken the swing low right here, so we're back into that downward trend motion. And right here, I'm going to stretch this out. We can see we have this support level over here. Now the market broke below that support level, traded straight back above it. We broke back below it and then back above it and closed above it on this day right here. Now everyone is thinking, oh, we're out of this. This is great. We're going to close back above the support. We had a double bottom formation. This market is going to go back up from here. Look at the date right here, people. This is January 14th. That was a very, very low trading day for the New York Stock Exchange. Want to see what happens next? Yeah, major move to the downside. So this is a warning video to you, as this market is not looking healthy to go up right now. It could simply drop very quickly at any time. So be warned, be prepared, have your stop losses in on your long positions, and have some short positions ready. Let's take a look at a couple more stocks here. Let's take a look at the gold ETF. We saw a huge amount of money move into this today. Okay, here's the bottom, gap up here, beautiful. Okay, let's look at the oil ETF. Look at this gap up and run up. Now oil's trading currently right now at 121.40 in the electronic markets after hours. So it's maintaining its level above that 120 price point. If we bring in the Dow again here, sort by percentage change, we can see here's our financials again right down the bottom of the list, and we have our oil stocks right at the top. So we're seeing that money flow come back into commodities. We had the US dollar drop today. So we got money flow coming back into commodities and money coming out of financials. So this is a very, very interesting time in the market. We could be getting that potential breakdown that a lot of the analysts here at FTV have been talking about for a period of time. And one last one here for you is Bank. You can see Bank closed below that support level that we talked about last night, 22.67, with the doji candle. Still an inside day, didn't make a new candles low. But what is interesting is the weekly chart right here. On the weekly chart right now, we can see we got a lower candles low right here. So we're looking at a potential reversal, or really a reversal that's already taken place right there on bank. You can see we traded right up into that trend line. So beautiful, beautiful pullback up to the top of the trend line there, which means we got potential to trade all the way down here. So interesting times in these markets. Be on the edge of your seats. Be ready to protect your capital if you're long in these markets. And if we get that break to the downside, beware, be ready, take action. This is Breakout Trader, freetradingvideos.com. Check us out. You'll love it. Until next time, break out.